Good afternoon. So the biggest accomplishment that I can present right now is that where I can show my flaws to everyone. Because through that, I believe that we can encourage other people to show who we are. And by that, we can also inspire that never stop chasing your dream. Because being here is one of my dreams. Thank you.
For me, my biggest accomplishment in my life is yung magkaroon po ng confidence ngayon sa inyong harapan at magkaroon ng aral sa inyo yung confidence na
What is your biggest accomplishment and what did you learn from it?
Para sa akin, I don't take it as accomplishment, but may advantage din siya. So, by being a failure, I've been through a lot of projects and ilan lang yung beses na nanalo ako. So, joining Mr. International Laguna will help me boost my confidence and it would be my privilege to represent Santa Rosa or Laguna rather in international balance.
Madadala ko po sa pagpapalak na ito at magiging front po ay yung ilaban ko po yung lugar ko. Kasi po yung lugar po namin sobrang late lang po. Kakunti po yung nakakakilala. Kaya po nandito ako para po makilala yung lugar namin na Rizal, Laguna. Na kahit po kakunti ang resources namin, lumalaban pa rin po kami sa larangan ng pageantry. Mahirap man po yung budget namin sa ganito, pero nalaban din po kami.
Nice answer, guys. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much. Candidates 30, 40, and 50. Kasama.
good afternoon everyone. So thank you for that question. So may answer ko is galing po ako sa municipality of Bay kung saan meron po isang college po na school, the Cardinal Moral Development Institute. The best quality na madadala ko po sa if I win this competition is being a risk taker. Because dun po sa pinapasukan ko po na school, marami po mga entrepreneur student. And as an entrepreneur student, you must be a risk taker. If you must risk taker, you have a confidence to all or to face all the challenges. And with the help of Almighty God, the rest will follow.
The question is, sa inyong tatlo na to as you represent your municipality, ano yung best quality na madadala nyo sa Mr. International Laguna stage na feeling nyo yun yung quality na makakakuha ng crown? Okay guys? Number 14.
Maraming salamat po sa iyo. Katanong mo. Ang isang pribilehiyo na madadala sa ating palagay ay ang pagkakaroon ng pagtitiwala sa sarili. Sapagkat isang kanhilan ng pagtitiwala sa sarili upang mas matupad ko ang mga gusto para mga sa buhay. Katulad na ng gusto mong makamit na makuha ang corona which is Mr. International Laguna Philippines 2025. Thank you.
Mr. International, yung ugali at yung pagiging humble as a candidate ang may pagmamalaki as a candidate of a pageantry because the fellow youth is following you and you're being inspired by others and yeah, yun lang po.
Thank you guys and best of luck.
Thank you so much. Candidates 10, 11, and 12.
I thank you for that question. I believe I will be a good representative because I think of this pageant not just a competition, but rather a platform for various things such as for growth, intelligence, and advocacy. A crown without a purpose, I believe, is nothing but an accessory. And that's why I